Alright you guys, what's cracking? Welcome back, new day, new video. We're starting off this one. Actually, it just started to rain, so we're gonna try to hurry up. I was supposed to be getting a fade right now, but I was rescheduled or canceled. As you guys can tell, I am feeling a little bit under the weather. Some cold going around, or the flu got everyone sick, but just getting over it. Just a little, my voice sounds a little more manly than it usually does. But what we're gonna do while we wait for an answer, although I was supposed to drop this truck already. Again, for those that don't know, I am paraplegic. I was involved in an accident about 10 years ago, motorcycle accident at that left me paraplegic, and due to my disability, there comes some underlying issues. Oh shoot, there's a water drop, hold on. There's some issues that come along with, you know what I mean? One of them are pressure ulcers, and unfortunately I have been having an ongoing healing pressure for ulcer that I've been trying to heal for the longest time. It's been about 5 years, but we're getting there. But anyways, I haven't been able to provide you with the content that I've been wanting to. I haven't dropped it because I've been wanting to record it, or else I would have sent it already. But as you guys seen last video, we did drop my brother's truck. Came out really good. Shout out to my boy Ramon over at NL Solo Suspensions. I am thinking of sending out this one if my boy lags one more time, which we have it scheduled for this weekend on Saturday after Christmas. So we'll see how that goes. We'll give him one more chance and then we'll go from there. For now, let's get this hood on, since we did clear out the storage. As you guys seen in the beginning, we cleared out the complete storage and got everything out here. So I'll be installing all the parts from now on instead of just having them laying around, you know what I mean? So let's get to it, take off the hood and show you the process from there. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little time lapse. Vámonos. The rain kind of wants to get us, dude, but we got it. The hood is off. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and bring the HD hood. Thankfully it's color matched, so it'll look good. So we're gonna slap it back on. We're gonna wait for my brother so he can help us hold on to it. We'll align it, close it, and I'll give you guys the end result. We'll see how it looks from there. Come on now. Bam. HD hood. Nice and color matched. Huh? I don't know, he said he was putting something to wash. Shoot, we need help. Este güey no viene. Okay, we're gonna try to put it on ourselves. So I try to hold it on this side, and then you get the other side. Let me set you guys up for a quick little time lapse. Bam. So we're just installing these little things right here, like the light. We're gonna connect the ground to that light. Okay. Clipped it. And you have the dado. Where's the dado at? Yeah, we changed the light, like I said. And now we're gonna go ahead and put that on, and then we'll close it, test fit it, see where I have to kind of shift it and check, kind of align it, and then we'll go from there. Moment of truth. Close it a little bit. Make sure it doesn't roll over there. Dale. Dale, dale. Hold on. Bam. Okay, acá se mira bien. Go check over there. Yeah. It looks good, huh? Looks like it fits good. So this one, when you close it, way, quita esto. Open it. Wait. Open it.
You got it?
No, put it down. Like push it down a little bit. Alright, yeah, go up. Quítalo. Okay, a ver. Let me check right here. Dale. Yeah, let it down. A ver. Oh yeah. A ver. Open it. It looks like it's good. A ver. Yeah, let it go. Move. Bam. Other lines, a ver. Nice and straight. Nice and straight. Ahí está. HC hood is on. Bam. So let's go ahead and just tighten up the bolts. We're gonna tighten them up real quick and then give you the end look. Hood is on. Adelántale. Right here. No le pega la light. You just adjust those and then you'll take a dip. Okay. A ver, slam it, close it. You just bring it down from the middle.
Yeah.
Aquí, agárralo de acá. Just let it go. See that? ¿Tú subes a move?
Just by itself?
Huh?
Does it get it falling itself?
Yeah.
Pero where does it down?
Huh? From right here. Like when you go like that, this will go, this will dent. Huh? No, but when you put all your weight on it, I would open it. Bam. Finished product. So all we gotta do is just now this weekend drop the back so it can look a lot better and we'll go from there. High beams are on. Okay. Bam. So yeah, looks much better with the HD hood. Wish it was an HD cowl, but we'll get that done later. But for now, looks pretty good, huh? Looks awesome. I'm gonna have my brother go ahead and take a dip. I'll give you guys a quick little montage and then we'll go from there. Vámonos. Looks good. Looks real good.
Bye.